Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a green light effect on our photo using InShot application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my InShot application, and the first thing we're going to do is clicking on this photo section and then choose new to start creating new project. And you can select a photo you want to edit. For example, I'm going to edit this photo, and then we can go to the adjust option and choose the curve. We're going to use the color curve to create the green light effect, and click on the screen color, and then we can customize the color to create the green light effect. You can customize it as you like, and I'm just going to make it like this. Okay, and this is the final result, and you can click on the save button to save the photo to your device. Alright guys, and that's how we can create the green light effect on our photo using InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.